What's going on, everyone? Welcome to your video. Today I'm going to show you my camera bag and we're going to go right through it because I want to show you why I like my camera bag and what I carry in it and how everything kind of fits into one backpack. So let's get right into it. This is the Terrion camera bag. And this is my favorite camera bag so far. It's, I think at the time of recording, is about $100. And the best part about this bag, which I'll get right into after, is the back right here. It has a very secure compartment, but I'll show you more of this in a few seconds. So first, let's start from the beginning. It has buckles here. On the lid here, it has metal buckles. It actually kind of hurt me just now. And this is leather. And this kind of makes it more waterproof, so you can kind of save yourself from all the rain, whatever comes your way. It doesn't really matter. But the best part is, see if I actually have it in here. It comes with this, a rain cover. And you basically put, this is big enough, it stretches, and you can put it around your camera bag and it'll completely cover pretty much the entire part. So just the back will not be there, but then you're gonna have that against your back, so essentially it's still fully covered. So that's one thing that comes with it. And I'm not sure if any of you can see, but there's a part in here. So this is my entire arm, and this is my entire arm inside. So basically this entire pocket can put 15.6-inch laptop in here, and so you can carry everything in one bag, and it's really secure. So it's in the front as well, so it doesn't hurt your back, so it's not as rigid. So that's one part. What I carry in here, so a few cleaning cloths and stuff. These are actually kind of old shirts that I carry. I carry a ton of batteries because we want to make sure that we're always batteried up for, you know, the flash, for whatever gadgets we have. So that's one thing. And then you probably saw this come out. So this is a Gorillapod, and this is really good for being able to adjust anywhere, and you can pop this off and do whatever you want. It's pretty useful. So I've used this a lot. You can wrap this around anything, so it's super nice to have. And it pops onto DSLR really easily. So that's one. That's for the most part what I have it up in here. I usually have a great pouch I put, which is all my like chargers and stuff. That's kind of something that goes across all my other bags for different things like gyms and stuff like that. So up here in the pocket up here, kind of keep some of my jewelry if I want to carry it around. So say I'll have like rings and stuff up here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but I'll have that. I'll put some extra batteries in here, and then, you know, sanitizer. This one's actually done. I have to replace a lot of this stuff because I don't actually use as much of this stuff in this pocket. Small little stuff that you want to access, like necklaces and things too, because especially with photo shoots and stuff, I go and I take my own photos sometimes, so you know, you might want to just pop some stuff in there. There's a pocket up here, and over here you can just kind of put random stuff. So I have a bag here. So this is a foldable bag, and this is like one of those almost like a plastic bag, but it's more usable, it's more durable. So I put it in there. There's a few other, I think, papers in there. I don't actually open that much either. The thing that I think we've all been waiting for, and that I open the most, is this back pocket. So essentially this back pocket I really like because unlike other camera bags, you are gonna have everything in front, like the zipper, for easy access. But the thing is about easy access is it's easy access to you, but it's also easy access to anyone who is trying to steal from you. So if you will have a camera, a DSLR camera, you know how much it is and how much it can cost to replace. So you don't want to have any of that happen or anything drop or anything, because you never know. So this way it kind of stays against your back. And back meaning it'll stay closed, so even if the zipper is not working, but you should have the zipper working regardless. So this is one thing I really wanted in it, and this is the one that had everything I wanted. So, and the padding, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the padding is quite substantial. It's pretty comfortable. I carried around like the cities and stuff like that and all day, even with like holding other bags and stuff, and this was super comfortable, super, like, it doesn't make you feel heavy at all. So this is one really good thing about it, because it's really well padded for the price especially. So now the pocket that I think we've all been waiting for is the back pocket, and this is where I have everything. So it's my extra glasses. I just kind of carry these just because you never know when you might need glasses. So see if you can see it. Okay. I'll probably put like a picture of it later on so you can kind of see better. So you can see a better breakdown of it, but this is my flash. I actually upgraded recently, so this is my older flash. This one is about 60 bucks, I think, on Amazon when I got it. It's a newer flash. It did well for the years I used it. So I have these two. These are like kind of pocket lights. Let's see if one of them turns on. I think one of them is charged. So you can change this to pretty much any color you want. This is RGB. It has a small screen on the back. I have the kit lens in here because I actually use this a lot now because my 24-70 is currently needing repair. So this is my backup for now. So there's that. Then there's this pocket which has like diffusers that go on the flash. So I'll use these. And I actually keep the 50mm, which is what I'm using right now to record. The 50mm usually goes in this pocket, and that's what I use to record. So that would be in this over here, this blue kind of box, and over here, I don't know if you can see it there, but this is memory cards. So memory cards are in here, and these are safe and secure. They don't open either. You heard the little click. This over here is what these are used for. So if you put them on here, these are, you just have to bend it back and shape it a little bit, but essentially it'll stay like that, it'll diffuse. I find that the color, keeping it clear is much better because it gives it more of a natural look rather than a white look, but you can go whatever one you want. So right here. In here, I have my 70-300. This is the 4.5, so 4 to 5.6. This is a pretty good lens for far away, especially because it's smaller. I have another one upstairs, but that one's way heavier, way bigger. So I carry that separately. Stuff I pick out of this over here. This is the 50mm ND filter. So let's see if I'll just take it out. So it's pretty small, but it'll go on the 50mm. And that is really good for portraits and stuff because you can have the option of going above and below your stops. Well, mostly above. So you can make things way darker than if you needed to. Like let's say if it's harsh sunlight, you want that. And this one I have for my 24-70, so it's also an ND filter. Comes with a case as well. So keep it in this pretty much at all times because it's glass. I think I have my sunglasses in here. I just carried these because it was usually sunny when I was taking shots, but probably take this out now. I have the charger. So you need your charger at all times in your camera bag because you never know when your battery's gonna die. So always keep it with you. This actually goes in here. And there's a compartment right here. A little hard to see, but like right here. That's where the camera actually would go. So I put the camera here. I'd maybe put like the mic if I can because I'm using a shotgun mic. I'll take a picture of it so you all can see after. But that's where all this would go. So everything would be very safe and secure in this entire compartment. Over here. So if I have my lavalier mics, I'll put the wires in here and I'll put the mics in where the camera is. So over here is the batteries. This is netting, by the way. So it's mesh netting. It's pretty durable too because like I have a lot of batteries and stuff and it's kind of stretching it a bit. So just be aware, but it's pretty durable. Just don't put anything sharp, I'd say. And I think this is the final pocket. I have a screwdriver here. You never know when you're going to need it for like tightening a tripod thing to the mount. So you always want to have something like that. I just keep that in there because why not? So that covers it for the inside. One final thing is over here. There is this pocket. So we still have the quick access. So over here is the quick access, and over here you can kind of reach in and get whatever. So you can see I just got the sunglasses from earlier. That's something you might like. I don't actually ever use that because I like opening it fully. And then on this side, we have, they say you can use it for a tripod. Personally, I use it for my umbrella because I'd rather have an umbrella here and I'd rather carry the tripod because the tripod's sometimes very heavy. So you can put this for tripod, umbrella, whatever you want. I kind of just put it like this, strap it in so it doesn't kind of fly away. And that's pretty much it. So this is my carry-on bag. It's not sponsored, but I wanted to show that off to you because that's what I carry every day. I have the battery still here. So that's my carry-on bag, and that's pretty much all the stuff I would need on a daily shoot basis. It has lights, it has a mic, usually it has the camera, it has pretty much everything that you could put in there. You just kind of have to find what you like and you can put it in, but that's what I would carry. So if you like this video, please comment down below, subscribe, and like so people can see it. And if you liked it and got value, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.